SC Odofin Esquire. SC Odofin Esquire, sir. For the claimant, sir.
Yes, who appears for the defendant?
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Dr. Adeola Omotunde.
Yes, are you appearing alone or with someone?
Yeah, with two other colleagues, my lord, with B.A. Wahab.
Ben, sir.
B.A.
Ben.
Wahab.
I don't think Benin is the language of this court.
It's not me saying Benin, my lord. Oh. It's not me.
No,
somebody
the person saying, oh, okay, I thought it's Wahab.
No, my lord.
Sorry, sir.
I know my lord was not understand Yoruba, so I'm
as you said with B.A. Wahab, and the guy said Benin.
I think they are saying something else, my lord. And,
with B.A. Wahab
and M.A. Raji.
All right, for the defendant.
Yes, my lord. So Omotunde with B.A. Wahab and M.A. Raji for the defendants, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord, sir.
Yes, Ido.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. At the last adjourned date, sir.
Yes.
We did inform the court.
Yes.
The preparedness of the defendants to settle with us, and we agreed in principle.
The matter is for report of settlement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
yes,
give
sir.
me the report.
Yes, sir. After the proceeding that day,
yes,
on the 7th day of, on 11th day of July, sir.
Yes.
There was a meeting.
Yes.
There was a meeting between.
Just tell me how far the settlement. That would be enough for my records.
All right, sir. Mr. Omotunde will now inform the court, sir. Dr. Omotunde will now inform the court.
All right. Okay, so there has been settlement meeting at least to finish logical recording for your own side.
My lord, there is a
settlement.
The settlement effort is the review anything, my lord.
My learned colleague. Will inform the court. Okay, Doctor.
Yes, my lord, after the meeting of that day, my lord.
Yes.
The report was written to the university management.
Okay.
On the outcome of that meeting.
Yes.
They are still awaiting their decision, my lord.
You are still
awaiting the management decision on the matter, my lord.
Okay, you had the meeting. What did you resolve?
No, we cannot do resolution. We can only forward our.
Yes, but did you come to agreement so that we know what you are waiting for, what you have forwarded? You held a meeting. Did you come to an agreement?
My lord, our meeting was the initial meeting to look at the issues and then make suggestions on the way forward. So the defendant made some suggestions to us at the, so the clipper, listen to us, my lord. And then we have to pass that suggestion to the management on the way forward on how the matter can be discussed, my lord.
But you have agreed on the suggestions.
My
The
Lord,
suggestions that you made on the way forward was agreeable to both parties.
my Lord, the management, we are just representing the management. They are to decide.
I understand at your level.
At our level, my Lord, yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
We have agreed on the way forward. We have forwarded our suggestions. Did you say your suggestion or your recommendations?
My Lord,
what you forwarded to the authority? Recommendation, which was?
My Lord, it's our suggestions, my Lord.
You forwarded it to the university. Which of the defendants?
Okay, my Lord, to the Vice Chancellor.
Which of the defendants?
That's the third defendant, my Lord. To be taken up by the first defendant with the council.
And you are waiting response.
We are waiting response.
Good. So, in the circumstance, what do you want? This was since when? Since when that you said your suggestion?
The second day we had that meeting. That was since when we sent it, my Lord.
I was in the meeting.
I was there, my Lord. I was there.
Yeah,
my friend
I was there, isn't it?
Yes, my
Lord.
I was there, my Lord.
Yes, what about me? What about me? I was there.
My Lord,
because you just made reference to meeting, said the second day you held the meeting. So was I in the meeting for me to take judicial notice of the date people held the meeting? And it's just tell me the month.
My Lord, I'm sorry. Mr. Bayo, who has mentioned the time before, I can't remember now. You mentioned the exact
time. Yes, sir. The meeting was, my Lord, the meeting was held 11th day of July, sir.
Okay.
July, my Lord, yes.
Yes, sir.
So it was sent 12th July.
11th day of July, sir.
So it was sent 12th July 2023.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, my Lord.
Bayo, what do you want?
Yes, sir. So that's the situation, sir. And we followed it up with a letter.
Yeah.
To remind them of our desire to have it done timelessly. And the letter was sent to them on 6th day of October, sir. Addressed to the chairman and governing council and the VC, sir.
Yeah.
With a view to making sure that they quickened action on it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And we are waiting their response.
Yes, so in the interim,
the customer you're calling is not.
For today's proceedings, what do you want? Bayo.
I want, yes, sir. If they agree with our letter and the proposal, we will settle. But if they don't agree, that means we go for litigation. We go for the hearing of the matter, sir. It is they who will now determine if they agree with our proposal. Yes. It's good for us,
if they agree or not. Today we go on with hearing. I'm asking you, Bayo, because
no, sir. But
for today's proceedings, what do you want?
For today's proceedings, sir.
Yes.
We we want adjournment, sir, so that they will come back quickly to tell us their position, sir. We want adjournment since they are desirous to have it settled, sir.
Any objection to that?
No,
Very
my
short
lord.
adjournment, sir.
Well, the short adjournment is according to the length of our diary.
As copplices.
As the company.
You don't want to give me space to come back. How do the second we were coming back now. Case is adjourned to 15 January 2024 for further report of settlement. 1-5.
Sorry, my lord, sir. We could not hear you very well, my lord, sir. Sorry, sir.
15th January 2024 for further report of settlement.
As the complices.
1-5.
As the complices.
Thank you.
My lord, we are grateful, sir.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
Please, defense counsel, try to persuade your clients to expedite action on whether or not they accept your recommendations.
As copplices, sir.
As the complices, sir.
As copplices,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, my lord, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But when it comes here, people won't give it our own suit number.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sorry,
Thank
my
you,
lord. The network was poor. I couldn't join you on time, but I'm fully in the proceedings, my lord.
Okay, you are in the proceedings, just adjourned.
Yes, I'm the representative of the defendant, my lord. Afolabi.
Okay, fine. We learned that they are forwarded suggestions to the university.
Yes,
And
my
I'm
lord.
telling the defense counsel, I can tell you as well that try to prevail on the university to respond quickly
We will do, my lord.
on whether or not they accept the suggestions or whether they want an amendment. Let it be done timelessly.
We will do that, my lord.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, let's go to ABJ 299-2018. Chisom Ogochukwu Ezenwadi and the Federal University of Oye Ekiti.
Good morning, my lord. Good morning, my lord. Good morning, my lord.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm
Okay.
A.O. Wojuade. A.O. Wojuade. Milo, sir.
You are
A.O. Wojuade for the claimant, sir.
Counsel, you are interrupting proceedings. You are interrupting proceedings.
Milo, I'm A.O. Wojuade
Yes.
for the claimant, sir.
Who appears for the defendant?
I don't know yet, sir.
Emmanuel Ehite or NT Ibitoye.
Bitoye. Yes,
Okay.
Bitoye.
These are all for the claimant, even.
And for the claimant, my lord.
Yes. It's okay. Okay. Okay, there was Ogundele
versus, yeah.
14th June 2019. One is it? Let me read something. B. Ogundele.
I haven't heard from any of their counsel, sir.
Okay. Okay, so B. B. Ogundele.
I don't think he's online, sir.
It's only once he appeared since this matter was filed in
2018, my lord.
2018.
My lord.
Even you, if this is about the second or third time.
Yes, my lord. I'll just brief about the matter, sir. So I just came into the matter.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. We tried settling with the defendant, sir, and
Okay.
all our effort to reach out to them has been proved abortive, my lord.
You are the one. You are the
one should be on the distance.
Infinix Note 10, please mute your mic. Infinix Note 10, mute your mic. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
What do you want?
My lord, sir, since they are not ready for settlement, sir, and all our efforts to reach out to them for settlement has proved abortive, my lord, we shall be applying that the matter be set down for hearing, sir. A definite hearing, my lord.
Because for a long time nobody has appeared, I think you will come to arrange for physical service.
Okay, my lord. Okay, my lord.
Infinix Note 10, please inform your wife that the pounding is entering the court proceedings. It's not 10. Please, my wife, or mute your phone, mute your mic. Case adjourned to 17th February 2024 for hearing.
My lord, sir.
Defendants to be served notice.
Okay, my lord.
17th January 2024.
Okay, my lord. We are most grateful, sir.
Defendants to be served hearing notice physically.
All right, my lord. 17th.
Physical.
Okay,
hearing.
my lord. Okay, my lord. We are most grateful, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. A. Oyinlola and 10 others Federal University of Akure.
Hello, good morning. Morning, sir.
Any appearances?
Please this court.
Yeah.
D. Adebayo.
E?
D. Adebayo.
Is it D or E?
These are D for David.
Eh?
D for David, sir.
Okay.
I appear with R.O. Bola Joko. R.O. Bola Joko, sir. You appear for the claimants.
Yes, any appearance for the defendants? Who appears for the defendants? Are you for the defendants?
I didn't hear the second. Sorry, my lord.
Sorry, my lord.
2020. Mr. A.
Okay, my lord, I'm for the defendants.
Okay, announce your.
Thank you very much, sir. With profound respect, sir, my name is Caleb Joseph. My appearance is for the defendants.
Yes.
My lord, we are pleased to inform this court. The parties have met.
You say
and
what?
agreed to, parties have met in this suit, sir, and agreed to settle their differences.
That's Adebayo talking.
Yes, my lord. Parties have met and settled their differences. Consequently, we filed our terms of settlement before this court. Same was filed on the 10th of May, 2023, sir.
Defense counsel, Caleb Joseph.
Yes, my lord.
You heard him. You heard Adebayo. He said they have settled and you have filed for a terms of settlement, which I
Yes.
in my time. What do you say?
Yes, my lord, that is the position of the matter. Parties have met and come to settlement, and the terms have been filed before your lordship.
Yes, sir.
I didn't get you, sir.
No, I'm asking Adebayo.
Yes, my lord.
What do you do with the terms?
My lord, we seek to adopt these terms.
Do you
We adopt these terms, my lord, as a consent judgment for this court.
No objection, sir.
What is or are you
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you, sir.
Adebayo adopted the terms of settlement and also enter it as consent judgment.
Yes, sir.
On your own part, what do you do with the consent judgment?
My Lord, we also adopt it as the consent judgment in this matter, sir.
Let me advise that counsel try to also find the terms of settlement.
Sorry, my Lord, we can't hear you, sir.
You can see this on the other page. Fine, it is well executed. The consent judgment executed by both parties and their counsel on 10th May 2023 and filed on 10th May 2023 is hereby entered to the judgment of the court.
The court, please.
Meanwhile, let me commend the parties and the both counsels for the amicable settlement of this case. We are always happy this way because that way both parties remain friends, and that way also you reduce the workload on the head of the court. Because with the consent judgment, none of the parties will look at the court as bad. But when the court uses its word, it must be one way or the other, and then the court must always be bad in the eyes of the person against whom judgment is passed. So thank you very much for peaceful settlement.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We are very grateful for the indulgence of the court. We really
are welcome. Yes, the next matter is AD Mr. Babatu Benga and appearances, gentlemen.
Lord, with due respect, my Lord, we will not hear the case that was called.
Which one is now? Is that Latin or?
My Lord, I'm sorry. My Lord, I'm very sorry. My Lord,
Latin or French?
My Lord, the defendant is in court. My Lord, the defendant is in court. The defendant is presented by
Adebayo Matons.
Okay, let me take the first. Is the claimant counsel in court?
My Lord. I'm in court, sir.
Okay, please, appearance.
S.A. Olayemi is my name, sir. And I appear for the claimant.
Yes, defendant.
May this be called, please?
Yes.
My Lord, I am P.O. Amadi. I humbly announce my appearance for the defendant, my lord. Most obliged, sir.
Yes, Olayemi.
My lord, that's at the last date of adjournment of 19th October 2022. The defendant witness was in the witness box and was under cross-examination.
Last day of
19th October.
No wonder. We were here on that 19th October, we adjourned to sit under then we adjourned the court staff, or Amadi was in court, you didn't come.
Court?
My lord, we can't.
No, we can't hear the court. My lord, I can't hear the court, sir. Lord, I can't hear the court, sir. Hello, my lord. I don't know whether my lord is hearing me.
I said we have sat 2 times after that date that you say.
Yes, that was the time I had a motor accident and I wrote to the court.
Okay, the matter is for what now?
Yes, it's a continuation of yes. We are to cross-examine the defense further. The defendant was in the box for cross-examination when we adjourned substantively before the motor accident. So I just want to avert the mind of the court to where we stopped substantively.
So what do you want?
As things are now, sir, with due respect, sir, the witness in box was the only witness for the defendant.
Yeah.
And some other questions that I want to put to him that we want to see him physically. We cannot cross-examine him by Zoom.
Who said?
So,
my lord, sir, if I
Who
may,
said you
sir.
cannot cross-examine by Zoom?
well, I am saying, sir, it will be difficult for us to cross-examine by Zoom because I want to see him physically.
Because you want to see him physically. You are not considering the convenience of the court and the convenience of the other parties and the convenience of the justice system generally. Your problem is you want to see him physically. Who said you cannot see him on Zoom?
I'm sorry. I had
They have a good reason, but this I want to see him physically. It's not a good reason.
My lord, sir.
Please just wait, the defense counsel. I will come to you.
My lord, sir, the thing is, we'll have an objection to the appearance of counsel. Because my lord, sir, the counsel is in contempt of the order of this honorable court.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Lord, I'm hearing this for the first time. Maybe he want to tell us where we have heard.
Well, you know that she must say it now, counsel. You know she must say it. Even if she doesn't say it, I will ask her.
As the court pleases.
So how is counsel in contempt?
My lord, on the last date of adjournment, this court awarded the cost of 20,000 naira against the defense counsel. And my lord, up till now, he still has not paid.
Hello?
Cost of how much?
20,000 naira, my lord.
Against who?
Against the claimants.
Okay. I thought you said against the defendant. So,
Sorry, my lord.
then what happened?
My lord, on the last date of adjournment, the claimant and the counsel were not in court, and this court awarded
No,
cost of
I
20,000.
awarded cost of 20,000. And what happened?
My lord, the claimant is yet to obey that simple order of court.
And the punishment is to object to appearance of counsel.
My lord, he does not have right of audience before this honorable court. And my lord, by the rules of this court, he's expected to pay within 7 days.
It is on or before the next date. I didn't talk about 7 days. So it means it's on or before the next date, which is
sorry, my lord, we can barely hear, my lord.
Is today. So the first claimant counsel.
Yes, my lord. I'm hearing this for the first time.
After you will hear it for the first time now. Listen to me, please. After 19th October 2022, as I earlier told you, we start on the 6th February 2023. You were not in court, and that was why we adjourned. Both you and the claimant. Then on the 17th May, the court sat. The defendants were still in court. You didn't come. Your claimant was not in court. Instead of striking out your matter, I said no. I awarded cost to be paid on or before today's date. And then you and your claimant, when you know that you have a matter in court, since October 2022, and we are in October 2023, you never came to court to find out what is happening to your matter until today that you are coming to court. So it is not strange that you will be hearing it for the first time. You have cost of 20,000 naira, and definitely I cannot allow you to participate in the to proceed with any hearing until that cost is paid.
As God pleases.
That's order 38, rule 34.
As God pleases.
Yes, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
So do you have? Can you wire the cost to her now so that we proceed?
As God pleases.
I've always said, my lord.
Yes.
We called today because about we received the hearing notice for this matter. That case, that's why there was no hearing notice. No notice was served on us. Hearing notice for that matter. Even we are not in court, my lord. Before
I will award cost, I must confirm that there was hearing notice. That's my practice. I will not award cost against you if I didn't confirm that there was hearing notice.
As God places. But my lord, I undertake what is the date of adjournment, sir.
You see, hearing notice was on the 9th.
My lord, I'm not hearing you, my lord.
The one for
hello, my lord.
The one for
I'm not hearing you.
Was on the it was Clement. Okay.
Sorry, my lord, we cannot hear my lord, sir.
I said on the
Lord, you can't.
for
I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not hearing the court. I'm not hearing the court, sir.
Well, I am saying I have seen proof of service on you for 17/2023. It is on 219 of my file. I'm just confirming to you that I would not have awarded cost if I didn't see proof of service. And then I've looked at it again to tell you. So as it is, you cannot even cross-examine the witness until cost is paid.
What's the cost, please?
So what do you say, Olayemi?
Court has letting us, and we have no objection to what.
So what do you want?
We are ready to.
You say?
To pay before the next adjournment. Next adjournment.
But what do you ask for? For now, for today, what do you ask for?
We can take.
Okay.
Hello, my love.
Case adjourned to 17th January 2024 for continuation of cross-examination. Cost of 20,000 naira awarded against the claimant on 17th May 2023 to be paid on or before the next adjourned date.
My lord, we did not get negative adjournment, sir.
17th January 2024.
As
it's
the court
physical.
pleases.
If I didn't pronounce Zoom, it means physical.
As the court pleases.
Once it is Zoom, I will say by Zoom. But if I didn't say by Zoom, it means it's physical. Now that cost of 20,000 naira is to be paid on or before the next adjournment.
As the court pleases.
I didn't hear claimant counsel. The next date now he will say he didn't hear.
No.
All right. So try and pay before that date so that you will continue with a cross-examination.
Most grateful, sir.
ILOP 2019, Mr. Ojo Olariwa Theophilus and Federal Inland Revenue Service and another.
Something I can be going through.
Of your evidence. Let me prepare judgment.
With utmost respect, my lord. The claimant is in court.
Yes, appearances.
A.S. Oseni is my name. I announce my appearance for the claimant, my lord. My lord, I'm grateful.
Thank you. Who appears for the defendant?
My Lord, UI Akure. My Lord, I appear with Godwin, the Imoye.
Yes, this matter is for what?
My Lord, this matter is slated for defense.
Okay.
And subject to the court convenience on our part, we are ready.
Is that
just
Akure?
Just for the network.
Is that Akure talking?
It is Oseni, it's AS Oseni, my Lord.
Akure. Akure. I want to talk to defense counsel. Akure.
Hey, I think the network has shut him out. My Lord, the network is terrible. All the cases that have been taken since we hardly hear, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, this matter is for defense.
It's for defense, my Lord. Our sole witness is in court.
Yes. It's
subject to
online.
my Lord's overriding convenience, we are ready to take the sole witness, my Lord.
Yes, is your witness statement Zoom compliant?
Yes.
Is the witness statement of which date?
My Lord, our witness statement is dated 29th day of September 2023. 29th day of September 2023. It was 5 same days, sir.
Is that your witness?
Yes, my Lord, my witness is in court.
I think you did that. What's the name of your witness?
My Lord, the name is Eugenia Hom.
Oh, wow. But that's what I asked you. I said Eugenia Hom. Is that the name of your witness?
Yes. That's very well, sir. I didn't get you well.
I confirm that your witness statement is Zoom compliant.
Yes, my Lord, our witness statement on which is Zoom compliant.
Yes, thank you for that.
Zoom compliant.
Who is wondering what Zoom compliant is? Why are you wondering Zoom compliant? You didn't answer, so you cannot be helped. I thought you were like wondering, you need some clarification. I've asked you, you refuse to talk, so you cannot be helped. Yes, Oseni. Is it Oseni or Oseni?
It's Oseni, my Lord.
Okay. Yes, are you ready?
My Lord, I am ready. Save for this network. The network is really fluctuating.
You can't hear us well?
I barely hear, my Lord. My Lord, I'm ready, I'm prepared. But this network, I don't know, maybe the network is even hearing me. Hello, my Lord?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
But
I'm
for
recording
this
you that you are ready except for the network.
For the network.
You said I can hardly hear the court.
As the court pleases, my Lord.
So, Akure, what do you say?
My Lord, we are ready. Our witness is ready.
You have already said that. You said you are ready, your witness is online.
Yes.
Oseni says that he is ready, except that the network, he can hardly hear the court. So I say, so what do you say? You take off from there.
My Lord, I'm inclined to proceeding with the defense.
Irrespective of whether he hears us well or not.
My Lord, maybe it's something that if he can adjust his position, the network will be better. It's the same network the court is using, and now all the counsel have been appearing have been using.
Not the same network. Where are you now?
I'm in Abuja, sir.
You are in Abuja. You are using either MTN or Glo or V Mobile or what? You don't know the one I'm using. You don't know the one he is using. So how can you just say it's the same network?
So my Lord, it's almost the same complaint we had the last time. And yes, Oseni's network is not always clear. I don't know why.
Honestly, Oseni, Oseni, and you are for the claimant. We would have suspected you, but you are for the claimant. You ordinarily want the matter to finish. You would have been a suspect for always complaining.
My Lord, with all due respect, my Lord, we see even from the record that I've always been the one that want this matter to be heard with dispatch. My client has not received salary since 2010.
So that is why I say we cannot suspect you. That's why I'm saying you are the claimant. We cannot suspect you. If not, you would have been a suspect.
As the court pleases. But under this circumstance, my Lord, the court is for me today to do the cross-examination. I have prepared. I barely sleep till the daybreak. Today, preparing for this cross-examination is painful.
My Lord, it is very obvious that A.S. Oseni does not want, he's not inclined to the Zoom hearing. He wants to do everything possible for us to go into physical. My Lord, I come from a far distance. The physical
is... See, we will take the witness. If we have problem in the course of cross-examination, then we will adjourn.
As the court pleases. I heard that. My Lord, for the court to know that me, I'm ready. We can start with him. If we are able to go through, fantastic. Good. But I'll be doing the evil to myself if I don't complain that I hardly hear the court.
Yes. This time around, it is not me that you will be hearing mostly, but the witness. You have the witness. You have the defendant's witness statement with you, right?
I have it, my Lord.
Yes.
But the one I have is not 23 September.
It's
29 September.
Okay, the one I have is 29 September.
It's 29 September. That's the one. Who said 29 September? Akure.
Yes, my Lord.
Is your witness statement 23rd September?
Sorry, my Lord, I didn't hear. I didn't hear, my Lord.
The process you want to adopt is when? Akure.
Yes, my Lord.
The process you want your witness to adopt is dated and filed when?
My Lord, is dated 29 September 2023.
Good. Then all of us have the same process.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. So this is DW, or is it DW1?
DW1.
How many witnesses?
My Lord, these are first witness, first and the only witness.
So that's DW. Virginia. Where is she? Please, let's see her. Put her online. Let's see her. Okay, good. So the court clerk will minister the oath on you. You raise up your hand and repeat after the court clerk.
Okay.
I, Virginia Home.
I, Virginia Home,
Solemnly swear.
solemnly swear
Say the truth,
to say the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Witnesses on oath.
Okay.
Yes. Witness, please tell the court your name.
My name is Virginia Home.
Tell the court what you do for a living.
I work with Federal Inland Revenue Service. I'm a deputy manager.
Yes.
Tell the court your address.
The address is in the witness statement, is it not?
As the law pleases. Witness, remember making a witness statement on oath before this honorable court
Yes, I do.
in respect of this matter.
Yes, I do.
What do you want to do with the witness statement on oath?
I want to adopt the statement. I want to adopt the statement as my testimony in this case. No.
Yes, she wants to adopt it. Counsel.
Yes, yes, my lord.
She said she wants to adopt it.
Yes, okay. Witness, you want to adopt the same statement?
She said so. She said she wants to adopt it. She said she wants to adopt it. It's on record.
Okay, my lord. So in your the statement you just adopted, you refer to some document.
Counsel, she wants
Yes,
to adopt. She wants to adopt. She wants to adopt.
Witness, you want to adopt? I want you to confirm to the court. What do you want to do with that statement?
I want to adopt the statement as my witness at my in court.
We are just repeating ourselves. I have reached there. She wants to adopt. I've
Okay,
put
I
it
want
on
to
record.
adopt the statement as my testimony in this case.
All right, let's proceed.
The statement you just adopted before this honorable court. In paragraph 6 of that statement, hello, my lord, the network is not.
Don't complain, no, Mr. Okori. Mr. Okori, don't complain, no. Mr. Okori, don't complain, no.
Witness.
Yes.
You refer to some documents in the statement you just adopted before the court.
Mr. Oseni. Oseni.
Yes, my lord.
I say he should not complain. So when it is your turn, we should not listen to any complaint, isn't it?
My complaint is already taken on record. My lord, when I lodged the complaint, he said I was lying. He
didn't say so. He didn't say so. He didn't say so. He didn't say you were lying, but he didn't just care about your complaint. He didn't care about your complaint. So you want to pay him back in his own coin. All right, Akure, let's continue.
Yes, my lord. Witness, you refer to some document in the statement you just adopted before this court.
Yes. Yes, I do.
In paragraph 6 of your statement, you refer to a document. Which you say is a copy of the investigation report signed by the copy of the investigation report signed by CSP. And the same statement is marked Exhibit FIRS 1. If you say that statement, can you identify it?
Yes, I can.
Can you identify it? How can you identify it?
Counsel.
With the head investigation reports.
Those exhibits are already attached to her witness statement, so they are already before the court on oath. Exhibits you need to tender anymore. They are already on oath before the court. That's what we meant by whether your witness statement is Zoom compliant.
Zoom compliant. Yes, my lord.
It is already attached and deposed on oath before the court. So once she has adopted them, they form part and parcel of the deposition before the court.
As a court, please.
So you don't need to tender them anymore. They are already on oath before the court.
As a court, please.
Yes, of course, she can identify them, but not to tender them.
As a court, please. So, my lord, I'll refer the paragraphs.
No need for the paragraphs. Just list them out according to how they are.
Okay, my lord, according to the witness statement on notes.
Yes.
Paragraph 6.
I say forget about the paragraph, just according to the marking.
My lord, exhibits
FIRS 1, FIRS 2, 3, or 4, like that.
As a court, please.
Yes.
FIRS 1.
Yes.
Lord, the FRS one is an investigation report dated 2nd June 2010. 2nd June 2010. Lord, the second exhibit is FRS 2.
Yeah.
Which is a copy of the judgment delivered in suit number NICN/ABJ/48 2014. The judgment of this honorable court, the certified copy of the judgment.
I say you have FIRS 1 to FIRS 8.
I didn't get that.
You have FIRS 1 to FIRS 8.
Yes, my lord.
Good, that's what I need for my records. Their contents, I'm going to read them since they are before the court.
As the court pleases.
Thank you. Anything next?
My lord, that is all for this witness.
Okay. Okay, Oseni.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. How far?
My
With
lord,
the network.
My lord, the network, I'm getting it.
Okay, I can hear you a little clearer now, even.
All right, thank you.
My lord, I'm very, very sorry. Before
Yes.
Oseni takes over,
Yes.
I want to avert the mind of this honorable court.
Yes.
So a particular exhibit.
Okay.
Hello,
Exhibit
FIRS 7.
Okay.
As reflected in the statement on notes.
Yes.
It's not before the court.
Okay.
My lord,
anyone that is not attached, I will reflect it in my judgment.
My lord, just FRS 7 that is not attached.
Yeah.
So my lord is not before the court.
I cannot see 5 either.
My lord, 5 is attached.
I said me here, I cannot see 5. Or except if you didn't mark it.
My lord, it's not marked, but it's attached.
Yes. But since I have seen the witness statement, she made reference to it and say it is marked FIRS 5. So whether
yes,
whether the attached documents are marked or not, I will look for it.
As a copy.
Yes, and then I'll refer to it. That I find the document, although it's not marked. But if I don't see it at all, I will say I haven't seen it.
As a copy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes. Cross-examination by Oseni.
I thank you, my lord. Mrs. Holmes. Home. Okay, home. All right. When were you employed?
2012.
By the FIRS.
Please, can you repeat your question?
When were you employed by the Federal Inland Revenue Services?
2012.
Hosseini, let's go on now. Let's proceed.
Right. Okay, all right. Thank you, my lord. As a staff of Federal Inland Revenue Services, you have your personal file with the Federal Inland Revenue Services.
Yes. Did you ask if I have my personal file with
You
Federal
have
Inland
your
Revenue?
personal files as a personal file with the Federal Inland Revenue Services, like every other staff of Federal Inland Revenue Services.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Ojobolariwa, as a staff of Federal Inland Revenue Services, also have his file with the Federal Inland Revenue Services.
Planet Council, you
Yes,
know
my
you
lord.
are timed. You are timed, and we are using data.
Hey, my lord, with all due respect, my lord, I have a lot of questions to ask.
You are timed. No matter how many questions you have to ask it within the time. And then you are repeating question that is already taken for granted. You know it, every staff has a file. And you said it in your question, you say as every staff. She said yes. And then you are still asking Mr. Ola has. When she said she has a file as every other staff, this Mr. Ola, is he not a staff?
I'm well guided, sir. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. The file will contain the name, address, and other personal information about the staff. Please confirm that.
Yes.
Thank you. You went through the record of Mr. Ojobolariwa in your possession.
I did.
Can you tell this honorable court his address on the file?
I am sorry, I don't have the information at the moment.
Yeah. Please look at Exhibit OBT 6, which is the appointment letter. Look at it.
Where am I looking?
Huh. My lord, sir.
Okay, you are referring to an exhibit before the court, not our own exhibit now.
Yes, my lord.
That is where we'll have a problem. Because that one is here before the court and we are proceeding by two. But wait, Clement Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
That exhibit was front-loaded, so you can show her from your file. Or is she not with you in your office? Okay, that's defense counsel.
Defense counsel.
Okay, my lord, we have it.
You have it, so show her from there. I see, show her the employment letter. If you have done that, let's know now. Let's know so that we'll proceed.
Hello, we're trying to sort the document out. Let me see.
Counsel, you have not found it.
My lord, we're having it's a bulky file, so we're trying to stop.
No matter how bulky it is, it is the first process now, isn't it? It is the first process filed, and just by opening my own, just one opening, and then you have been there for how many minutes? You can't see it. When I just needed to just flip like this and see it.
Copy of offer letter. That's the first document.
Copy of offer letter.
Employment letter. Offer of employment.
Yes.
Is that the court confirm to this honorable court that that is the address of the claimant in the file?
Pardon, please, can you repeat yourself?
Confirm to my lord that that is the claimant's address with the Federal Inland Revenue Services.
Can you?
No, he's talking about it. My lord, may I explain to the witness because she doesn't understand.
You can't.
You can't. So there is an address on exhibit OBT6 that you should confirm whether that is his address in his file.
Witness, please, we are waiting for you. Please confirm that.
Eugenia.
Yes, my lord.
You see his address on that exhibit?
Yes.
Good. Now the question is, you should confirm to the court if that is the same address in the FIRS file.
Yes.
All right.
Please confirm to this honorable court that his employment letter was not given to him through the office of TOS, Dadeyan Esquire. Confirm to this honorable court that this employment letter, this appointment letter, exhibit OBT6, was not given to
tender. What do you have for record? OBT tender. It was related to, so we put it tender.
Okay, tender. Confirm to this honorable court that that letter was not given to the claimant through TOS, Dadeyan Esquire.
Yes.
Confirm to this honorable court.
Yes.
All right.
TS who?
TOS, Dadeyan Esquire.
Who is that?
Well, please. Spell that Gbadeyan, please.
TOS, Gbadeyan. Gbadeyan is GB AD EY AN. TOS, Gbadeyan. Yeah, witness. Look at exhibit OBT1 and OBT2. That is promotion letter and annual leave. Please, have you seen it? Have you seen them?
So, are you not getting it?
No, he said that.
How long can he, when the council review the question, like she's not getting it?
Yeah. Look at exhibit OBT1 and OBT2.
That's promotion letter.
Promotion letter, annual leave. And my lord, even the query.
One after the other.
Yes.
When you have difficulty finding this photo. Where is OBT?
It's a copy of the thing.
Where is OBT1?
Yes.
What finish with OBT1 and OBT2? She has seen them. Ask the question.
And the FIRS 3.
FIRS
3, yes. Your own exhibit.
That's a copy of the query.
Look at them.
That's the copy of the query.
Yes.
Okay.
All of these documents were not addressed to TOS, Gbadeyan. OBT1 and OBT2, FIRS 3. They were not addressed to Gbadeyan and they were not served on Gbadeyan for onward transfer to the claimant.
Yes.
Thank you. Apart from the court processes in the criminal case, tell this honorable court any other correspondence or process served on Gbadeyan, served on the claimant through Gbadeyan. Tell this honorable court. Apart from court processes in the criminal case before the Federal High Court.
Exhibit 1.
I don't get my lord.
Can you repeat your question?
Exhibit what? The charge is exhibit what?
The charge is exhibit. The charge is exhibit OBT 7 tendered.
Yes, the question again.
Yeah, apart from the processes in exhibit OBT 7 tendered, tell this honorable court any other correspondence or process serve the claimant through TOS. Please tell this honorable court if you know any other correspondence served on the claimant through TOS by your office.
Is there any other process that was served on the claimant through Badenya? Is there any other process served on the claimant?
Or correspondence?
Or correspondence served on the claimant through Badenya? Is there any? That's the question.
Letter and query letter.
Invitation letter and query letter.
All right, let's proceed.
The claimant file that you went through, you never saw any notice of change of address there.
Is that, I don't understand your question.
Did you see any change of address in the claimant file that you went through? Answer. Mrs. Hong, did you not hear the question? Mrs. Hong, we are waiting for you.
Yes, my lord. I did not get his question at all.
Good. Ask the question again.
Yes. You have informed this honorable court that you went through the file of the claimant with you. Did you see any notice of change of address in the file by the claimant?
Please, we're waiting for you.
His lawyer wrote through Chief Adeni.
Please, in the file, please. His question is restricted to the file.
Yes, I saw that also in the file.
No, answer the one I asked you first before you go into another thing. I will come there too, but just calm down.
A change of address.
What question did he ask? I just answered.
Claimant's file. Yes. Yes.
His lawyer wrote us through Chief Ademuyiwa, Adeni and Co. I'm not
changing his address.
She responded to query. That was it.
That is where she saw the change of address on his lawyer's letter. That's what you are saying?
Do you mean to say that his address was changed by his lawyer, Ademuyiwa?
We wrote him, we issued him a query.
Yes.
And he read through Ademuyiwa and Co.
All right.
Ademuyiwa and Co responded on his behalf.
And in that response, his address was changed to Ademuyiwa. Please answer, answer. Let us move.
Yes, in that letter, his address is the address of his lawyer.
Now.
Home.
Yes,
Mrs.
yes, my lord.
In his lawyer's address,
in his lawyer's letter.
In the lawyer's letter, he designated his own address as the address of the claimant.
I don't understand. Don't understand the question, my lord.
Oh, you should understand, because they asked you about whether you saw change of address in the file. You said yes, because his lawyer wrote you. Now the question is that by the lawyer's address, his address is now the address of the lawyer, by the lawyer's letter, his address is now the address of the lawyer. Then why don't you understand there? What did you mean by, yes, you saw change of address when his counsel wrote you? What did you mean by that?
I said when he was issued a query, he responded through lawyer, Ademuyiwa, Adeni and Co.
Yes. So how does that affect his address? That's what the lawyer is asking you. Well, we leave it.
Now, my lord.
Yes.
Mrs. So if my lord, I don't know, maybe I can go further.
Why not?
But she has not answered that question.
Yes, I take note now.
Through Ademuyiwa.
Her simple answer is that he responded to them through his lawyer, Ademuyiwa. And that's what she meant by the change of address.
All right. Now, look at exhibit FIRS 3. That is the letter of Ademuyiwa you were referring to. Look at it.
The query.
Have you seen it?
The query.
No, that is reply to the query. Re-query.
Okay.
That is the letter of Ademuyiwa you were referring to.
Yes.
Please quickly go through the content. Is there any way the lawyer wrote that the claimant is changing his address to his own address? Please quickly go through the content of the
address. What are you going to address the court? I'm not going to write address.
All right, my lord, I'm grateful.
She has referred you to a document. The document is before the court.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. So she cannot interpret document. Hope
Thank you, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord.
Even if she is a lawyer, she is not entitled to interpret document as a witness.
As the court is, my lord, I'm very grateful.
Yes, thank you.
Very well, my lord.
The address on FIRS 3, that is Ademuyiwa's letter, is different from that of Badenyan's address. Confirm that as a final question on that note. Confirm that.
Confirm that the address on
FIRS 3, that is Ademuyiwa's letter, is different from Badenyan's address. Confirm that.
OBT is different from the one on OBT what?
OBT 9.
Okay.
Yes, change this lawyer. I'm aware.
OBT 6, not 9.
Okay. OBT 6 and OBT 9, they are different. The three addresses are different.
Yes, and we have talked about OBT 6 earlier, isn't it?
Thank you, my lord.
All right. Yes, any more questions?
Yes, my lord, I have. Now, can you tell this honorable court when the claimant was indicted?
Twenty 2009. 2010.
When he was indicted by your executive committee.
Pardon?
Can you tell this honorable court when the claimant was indicted by your executive committee in exhibit? Exhibit. My lord, I'm sorry.
Just leave it. If she knows when he was indicted, we could just cross it. Do you know when he was indicted?
In the executive summary sheet, you did not mark it. Okay, exhibit FIRS 6. Look at exhibit FIRS 6. Can you tell this honorable court when he was indicted by the executive committee of the disciplinary case of officers committee presented for management consideration? That is a letter dated 21st January 2019. Can you tell this honorable court when the claimant was indicted?
In 2018.
2018. What date?
Go ahead. I didn't come with my glasses. October 24th and 25th October 2018.
Fantastic, thank you. 24th. Now, look at exhibit OBT 5. That is the judgment of the Federal High Court. Lokoja. Have you seen it? The judgment of the Federal High Court, Lokoja.
Okay.
Open to page 38 of that judgment. Open to page 38.
He was discharged and acquitted.
No, open to page 38. We have not gotten in there. We are coming there, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
All right.
38.
Page 38. The claimant, the prosecution's case was closed on the 13th March 2018. In that case, you will see it, page 38. That is the last paragraph. Read the last paragraph of that page.
You can read it. Yes.
You can read.
I'm not with my glasses, so I can't.
All right, let me just put it to you. You can see that date. You can see that last paragraph on 13/3/2018. You can see it. Can you see that?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I suggest to you that was the date the prosecution's case was closed in that case. Or if I may read to you.
Mm-hmm. Then stop administrative process.
Counsel, go ahead with your question.
Okay, thank you, my lord. No, so you agree with me that the claimant's case, the prosecution's case was closed on that date. Thank you.
It's on record.
Yes, thank you, my lord.
So what's
Your
the
letter
question?
of invitation. Your letter of invitation to disciplinary officers committee is dated the 19th October 2018. Confirm that. Letter of invitation, that is exhibit OBT9.
Yes.
All right. Dated 19 October 2018. Confirm to this honorable court.
Exhibit what?
Exhibit OBT9.
OBT9, which is
the letter of invitation was issued on the 19th October 2018.
No, I've answered.
All right.
You don't have it there. Yes. Yes.
Yes. My lord, I don't know, maybe I can continue, sir.
Your question.
My question is, the letter of invitation is dated the 19/10/2018. And my lord, she said yes.
But you on the letter, yeah. We need her confirmation.
Yes.
The date is there now. The letter is already in. Okay, it's tendered. All right.
Thank you, my lord.
All right. Let's go on.
confirm to this honorable court that you issue this letter of invitation because you have seen that you have failed to prove your case and your case has been closed before the Federal High Court against the claimant. That is why you issued exhibit OPT9.
Sorry, can you repeat your? Can you repeat?
Yes, I'm repeating. Let me repeat it. You get me. Thank you. Confirm to this honorable court that you issue exhibit OBT9 tender, that is letter of invitation, to the claimant because you realize that you have failed to prove your case against the claimant and your case has been closed by the Federal High Court judge. That is why you issued exhibit OBT9 tender.
That is not true, sir.
All right.
Yes.
Confirm to this honorable court, no committee was set up before the claimant was suspended in the year 2010.
This marriage followed.
I don't get you.
The disciplinary process in the service was followed.
And that's not my question. Please don't set up a question for yourself. You answer my questions. No
it's
committee.
My question, sir.
Answer my question. No committee was set up before the claimant was suspended in the year 2010.
Yes.
Thank you.
Disciplinary committee, right? There was
no committee.
Investigation elements. Sorry, my lord. I need him to be clear with his question.
My lord, with all due respect, I take serious exception to
no
this
committee. He didn't specify whatever committee. He said no committee.
Yes.
Hey, so my lord, with all due respect, someone is gisting her on the background.
Please, yourself.
Someone is gisting her. Someone is talking to her.
Don't interact with her when a question is asked.
My lord, yes, Suseni should stop raising false allegations.
No, I heard it myself. I heard the sound myself. I heard the whispering myself. Please don't talk with her once a question is asked her.
And this is where I've been insisting that physical will be fine.
Let's proceed. I don't know if you still have time. You have invested your time.
Yeah, my lord, I'm very sorry. My lord, this is a case with checker district. I have to just cross-examine very well. My lord, I'm very sorry.
You are asking her question to confirm what is written. You have spent all the time asking her to confirm what is written and before
yes,
the court.
My lord, with all due respect, I have to confront her with some questions despite the fact that they are written. My lord, I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Your time is running up. Your time is running up.
My lord, I'm grateful. My lord, I will fasten it up. Now look at my lord, I'm sorry. Look at exhibit FIRS 2. FIRS 2. That's judgment of National Industrial Court, Abuja. Look at it. That's FIRS 2.
Please. Who is that now? You are on air.
My Lord, I want to humbly apply that Mr. Akure is asked to unmute his mic.
You can see that I'm not saying anything because when I say something, it's not only my voice, my mouth will follow. You can watch my mouth.
Not only that, want you to be on. Thank you.
It was jamming. It was jamming.
Yes, that's your question.
Yes. Go to page 2 of that judgment.
What's the question?
Open to page 2 and page 11 of that judgment.
Let's go.
That's for me. That's for me.
Yes, it's for you.
Page 2. You have 5 more minutes.
My Lord, I would rather seek an adjournment. My Lord, I have enough, a lot of questions
Take
to
all
ask
your
you.
time and then you are saying you seek adjournment. No, we don't do that. You have spent all your time already.
My Lord,
and I'm giving you 5 more minutes.
The rules of this honorable
for adjournment.
provide for time. Provide for time.
You have exhausted your time already.
For cross-examination.
My Lord,
you have exhausted your time already, and I'm giving you 5 extra minutes, and you say you seek adjournment.
As a
How can you do that?
All right, no problem, my Lord. I will hurry up. Yeah, that judgment, the claims in that judgment is different from the claims in this case. Please confirm that. That is, the claims are contained in page 2 and page 11. And I have just 3 questions to ask after this.
If I read the claim, say I read the claim in this case, I cannot be able to say whether they are different unless she confirms. We have a document, we have another document, they have claims. And unless she confirms whether they are the same, if she says they are the same, what happens? This is something that you can simply make your own submission that they are not the same. The court will look at it and confirm whether they are the same or different.
All right, thank you, my Lord, I'm grateful. Now, witness, your exhibit FRS1 kick-started the prosecution of the claimant at the Federal High Court.
Yes.
FIRS1.
Yeah. You said yes.
Now, thank you. Now, it is based on this FIRS1 that the claimant was purportedly, his appointment was purportedly terminated by the Federal Inland Revenue Services.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, I'm very sorry. The light went off in my office. We put on the generator.
This is why I've been agitating for physical. My Lord, this is why I've been agitating for physical.
Now we can proceed.
Please, round up, that's a round up.
My Lord, thank you, my Lord. Look at exhibit 4BT5. The claimant was discharged by the Federal High Court.
We have passed that.
All right, thank you, my Lord. So, my Lord, finally,
Yes, finally.
My Lord, I missed it up. My Lord, I'm sorry. Now, finally, you set up this committee, the executive committee, hurriedly terminate the claimant because you have failed at the federal court.
What is executive committee? You mean officers disciplinary committee?
Disciplinary committee, your committee, and their report is executive committee report. You set up this committee to hurriedly terminate the claimant because you have failed at the Federal High Court.
Yes or no?
They set up the committee in order to allow him to come and exonerate himself.
No, he says because you failed at the Federal High Court. Yes or no?
I didn't hear that. Sorry, my Lord, I didn't hear that.
He said you set up the committee because you failed at the Federal High Court. Is that correct?
That is not true, my Lord.
Thank you. My Lord, I'm very grateful. That will be hard for her.
Okay.
I need this job.
This is defense, Abi. Yes, defense counsel.
Yes, my Lord.
Akure, any re-examination?
No re-examination, sir.
And is that the case of the defense?
Hello, that is the case of the defendant, sir.
What do you want? What do you ask for?
Hello, we are asking for the date to address the court.
Now to discharge your witness.
Hello, we are applying.
How many days do you want for you to write and submit your final written address?
Hello, the statutory day, 21 days.
There is nothing that says it must be 21 days.
Well, not, 2 weeks is enough for us. That's 14 days. Sir.
All right, thank you.
As it goes.
Yes,
my Lord, I most humbly plead for 21 days. I most humbly, passionately plead for 21 days.
Defendant is going to file first.
Yes.
He cannot ask for 2 weeks and then you ask for 21 days after him. Because the 14 days that he is working, you have those 14 days also before he serves.
My Lord, with all due respect, I have some other things hanging on my neck that I'm attending.
Every lawyer has files, even the court has files. Every lawyer has plenty of files.
My Lord, I asked for 2 weeks too. Thereafter. My Lord, I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Yes, 16 years past.
Mr. Akure.
Hmm? 18th January 2024 for adoption of final written addresses by Zoom.
Sir, my Lord, I did not get the date.
18th January.
18th January. All right. Thank you, my
By
Lord.
Zoom. By Zoom.
All right, my Lord.
Thank you.
All right, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord. I'm very grateful. Thank you, my Lord, for the indulgence. Yes.
Thank you, gentlemen, for today's proceedings. and we shall all leave.
Thank you.
Can leave it.